Hi guys, I'm Sumit, a CS student from NIT Warangal, and today I am back with a very interesting AI tools which is made by Google. It is called Google Flow. This AI tool literally helps you to make videos. Like if you give a prompt, it will make a video for you. It will create a video, and even not only video, it will generate images also. Like it is powered by VO 3.1, 3.2, and similar to these models, along with Gemini, and it's AI generative tools called Nano Banana. So let's have a quick look how actually it works. You need to go to any of your browser and search for Google Flow, and you will be redirected to this website only. Okay, let's enter inside. This is how the AI tools look. It is saying that Nano Banana is here. Okay, let's create some project. We'll go to new project, and here we can prompt what we want. So I have already copied one prompt, so I'll show you by making this prompt. And here are the options in what aspect ratio we need. Like do we need a horizontal video or a vertical video? And these are the AI agents, quality, VO 3.1, light fast. And if you need image, you can select image. If you need videos, you can select videos. Okay, let's prompt it and let's see the result. It will take a time of approximately 30 to 45 seconds. As you can see, our video is ready now. Let's see how it has made. As you seen just now, the video quality and the audio quality was really insane. Like it sounded like a real movie, like you are watching in some theater. So that is the power of Google Flow. That's all for today. Meet you next video. Till then, bye bye.